Hello everybody, welcome to the next video, and in this video we want to talk about weight training volume. How many sets, reps and exercises is best for you? So in weight training, volume refers to the amount of work being done. The work will of course come in the form of the exercises that you do and how many sets and reps you do for each. That means volume can be measured in a lot of different ways, the most important of which are first, how much volume is being done per muscle group, per body part, both per workout and week, how much volume is being done per exercise, how much volume is being done per workout, or how much volume is being done per week. So the reason this information is so important is because volume is one of the key factors influencing the effectiveness of your workout routine. What I mean is, if you do too much volume, you run the risk of hindering or completely destroying your body's ability to repair and recover at an ideal rate. And if the repair-recovery process isn't happening at the ideal rate, the results you want probably won't be happening at all. Second, if you do too little volume, you run the risk of not providing enough of the training stimulus required to signal your body to actually make the changes and improvement that you wanted to make. And as you clearly can see, the goal here is to find the amount of volume that is high enough to provide the training stimulus needed to get the results you want, yet low enough to avoid negatively affecting your ability to recover. For the best results possible, we need that optimal middle ground. So how much volume is best for me and for you? Now, when trying to figure out how much volume is best for you, some people think, just tell me how many exercises I should do per muscle group or per workout per week, and ta-da, there's your workout volume. The thing is, it's a little more complicated than that. Exercises don't actually measure volume. Even if there is an exact number of exercises recommended, the total amount of volume being done can still vary greatly. For example, let's say I just said the best volume is 3 exercises per muscle group, and 3 different people take my advice. Person A might do 2 sets of each exercises for a total of 6 sets altogether. Person B might do 3 sets for each exercise for a total of 9 sets altogether, and person C might do 4 sets of each exercise for a total of 12 sets altogether. So right there you have 3 clear examples of how doing the same number of exercises per muscle group and still this leads to very different amounts of volume being done. And for this reason, trying to measure or prescribe volume using exercises is a pretty horrible idea. And sets don't actually don't accurately measure volume either. Yeah, sets should be used to measure and describe volume, yes, but I could say to do 6 sets for each muscle group per workout, and you could divide those sets up over however many exercises you want. Using 6 sets as an example, you could do 3 exercises for 2 sets each, 2 exercises for 3 sets each, 1 exercise for 4 sets, and 1 exercise for 2 sets, and so on and so on. So unlike before, the number of the sets being done remains the same either way, which makes sets a much better way to measure or prescribe volume than exercises were before. However, as a very similar problem still exists, how many reps are you providing? And yes, I've laid out that the ideal number of reps you should do per set for your goal in a previous video, but the total volume being done can still vary quite a bit. For example, I said that the 5 to 12 rep range is best for people looking to build muscle, get toned, look good. I said that in another video. So which is probably most of the people reading this. And using the same 6 sets per muscle example from before, person A might do 6 sets of 6 reps for a total of 36 reps per muscle group per workout. Person B might do 6 sets of 10 reps for a total of 60 reps per muscle group per workout, and so on. So as you can see, that is still a pretty significant difference, even with the same ideal rep range of 5 to 12 being used. For this reason, measuring or prescribing volume in terms of only sets is still not the best idea. It's a million times better than exercises, but it's still pretty flawed. So, what is left? The reps. Reps are the most accurate measurement of volume. If you recommend a certain amount of reps to do per muscle group or per workout or per week, it can be divided up into 1,000 different combinations of exercises and sets. But in the end, the number of reps being done always remains the same. And for this reason, the best way to measure and prescribe weight training volume is by the total amount of reps being done per muscle group, per workout, and per week. So the question, what total amount of reps is the best for you? And that is a question that we are going to answer in the next video. So if you want to know that, go to the next video, we will talk about it. And if you want more information about how or about what has worked best, having worked with hundreds of professional athletes and average guys in professional sports, natural bodybuilding and natural powerlifting over a period of 2 decades, then download our ebook. The link is below. You will get all guidelines that have been that were very true in those decades, the best exercises and the splits and workout routines that really work the best. So have a nice day and